Yeah, yeah, most of my stuff. Holy shit, nice, nice.
Nice.
They added a cutscene? What? We are here, Captain. The distress beacon came from this exact coordinate. Holy fucking shit. Nice, Hopu.
Now I have 4 heroes.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, multi is the new one. I should just stick with commander. I'm most familiar with him.
Any sign of survivors? Just life.
When I search on YouTube, actually there are so many people theory crafting on each patch of
Yeah,
List of
yeah.
Rank.
Dude, Risk of Raid, there's so much what you can do. Okay, wait, I'll show you something. Let's see. Stream game. I think that this time you should be able to see, like, hear audio. Try checking.
Yeah, I hear you.
Okay, okay, so logbook. Let's go see.
Yeah,
Okay, so I have most of my items. Okay,
yeah, yeah,
okay, so lot of new shit.
yeah. You have like double of my
Okay,
hero.
environments.
Mhm.
Okay, challenges. Yeah, this is the real deal. So I was thinking, oh fuck, I'll have to do challenges again. There's a very stupid one. Okay, complete three combat tries in a single stage. That is easy. There is one stupid one, dude. Oh, activate 6 turrets in a single run. Okay, that's possible. Super fucking easy. Stay alive
Yeah,
for 30
yeah.
consecutive minutes. This is stupid. Okay, so I think you can get this. This is easy.
Yeah,
This,
I think I've got that. Let me check.
yeah, this is the another hard one, the long road. Complete 20 stages in a single
Yeah, I
run.
think this, but I don't understand because when I played the boss thing,
Mm-hmm.
is the seventh stage, I guess,
Mm-hmm.
and then I just kind of completed and I cannot go anymore.
I
Should I
think
go to the other level to go more stages? Is it required?
because earlier there was not an end game boss, like there was no story content. So I will also have to see an experiment with you. Okay.
Mm,
Okay, this is
yeah,
also
I've completed Lone Survivor,
okay.
the 30-minute one. I've
Get
completed.
this one. This is easy to get. Without healing reach, complete third teleporter. So don't get any healing items till the third teleporter.
Unless I know each item what they are doing.
Okay, okay, sure, sure.
Yeah, but does the passive heal counts? Like
No, no,
regen?
passive. No, only healing items. Okay. So see,
I
I
see.
have these many. You're looking at loader. That is the one that you want. Okay.
I see.
A mercenary is the one which is like my favorite. Thank God I don't have to get mercenary. I just fucking want to play as mercenary and yeah, destroy fucking people. Fuck yeah. Multiplayer. Invite
Sure.
friends.
Multiplayer.
RNG invite.
Again.
Yeah, okay.
Nice.
Create. Uh, I don't want to create more people. Private, yeah, private. Allow rule voting. Allow, yes, that's fine. Start game. Let's go.
Sure. Okay.
So, do you see different skins?
Yeah.
So
I
you
saw you changing
yeah.
skins.
So you unlock that by completing certain challenges, and then you unlock
Oh,
those skins. That's how it works. Okay, let's go.
do I have to press on? Okay, going.
Because I added rule voting, so people can vote for levels.
I cannot escape. What?
Uh,
Oh,
look for the thing, teleporter.
I found it.
Activated.
Alright. Oh, did I take the healing? I'm not sure.
Oh, this is easy.
Let's see. Oh yeah, saw him. Especially with a big boulder in the
Yeah.
middle. Whoa, I'm dying.
Yeah, yeah. It'll be harder because multiple people, right?
I see. So I have to oh, level up to save my life. Ew, I'm so low in health. Ah, I died. Oh, teleport skill is quite interesting.
Yeah. Completed.
Jumping in air. Nice.
So when you hit someone, you can do the skill 3 times. That is how it works.
Mm,
So 1, 2,
yeah,
and then another 3. If I don't hit anyone,
so
then I only get to do it once.
I see.
So you can plan it as a safety route. You cannot plan it as a safety route. Okay.
Bad.
So see, I use this to complete 2 movements. I see this particular thing. Just go over there, unlock it, because this is the fastest way to spend money, right?
What is this thing?
The shrine. The shrine.
Oh, yeah, yeah, the gamble thing. Oh,
Another healing is better because we are having a hard time. Done. Yeah.
nice.
I have forgotten my movement, like my buttons were different, so yeah, I'll just take a
Yeah,
little
but
bit time.
playing this survivor requires lots of dragging on mouse, I think.
Yeah,
Especially
yeah,
in
yeah.
one.
You need like high mouse sensitivity for this one.
Yeah, yeah. You are swinging your mouse
Yeah, yeah.
so hard.
So dude, I have played with the rest of the ones. I've not played with the new ones, but fuck, this dude is fucking god tier. You go that side. I'm gonna go this side to check.
Sure.
Found the teleporter. I'm gonna mark it.
Right. Going to your icon.
Yeah. Yeah, start it, right behind. Oh, I have already spent at 50k. Okay, so 70k. You're here. I'm gonna start the boss. Let's go.
Yeah. Nearby.
Oh, easy.
Is it the same one?
Yeah.
Oh. I don't know how to dodge this laser thing.
You just dodge roll and you try to look for cover. That's how I do it.
Yeah. I think looking for cover.
It's the same way that you dodge the Agnim's thing, right? You get out of it in a way. It's very similar to that. And I am frozen. Okay. Pick one each. Yeah. Nice. And then we just wait for it to finish and then
and get some items
yeah.
when it finishes. Right?
Fucking keys. Who the fuck wants keys? There is one over here, box. There is one box over there. 2 boxes over there. Okay, so we have 4 boxes, should be enough for us to spend. I'll go this side, the one where I'm marked. You go like over there. There are 3 boxes. Okay, done. Run. Nice. Don't spend those lunar coins. Soldier syringe, easy. Awesome item. Don't spend as in, I'll show you how to spend it.
Yeah.
So don't spend, so you need to keep 10 to unlock one hero. Artificer.
Is it? Oh, key 3D assembler.
Are you ready for a 2-hour run? Look what I picked up. Unstable Tesla coil, a red item. Whenever I'm walking around, right, it electrocutes people randomly. Okay, I am almost out of my money. So, if you're nearby, you can go activate it if you have done spending.
That's about 100. 97.
Yeah.
Coming to you.
Yeah. No. How much money you're left?
100.
Okay, one is here and the other one is over there. I'll go. Okay, by the way, don't spend on that. Come here and unlock this ultimate. Yeah, this is the ultimate box. What the fuck is that item? No, did they change your boost thing? Do they do that again? Yeah, they changed that. Yeah, they added a slide for you.
Yeah.
Earlier you could dodge roll. I think you're using a second version of the loadout. Maybe that. I'm not sure.
Actually, I don't know the difference between the original one and the boost.
No, but when you were playing, you had one thing, right? In midair, you could jump and you could side roll. So yeah, this is the second version, I think. Yeah, cool. Come over here, RNG. Do you see over there? There is a blue thing.
Yes.
You use a thing to unlock a lunar coin to open the bazaar. So don't do that right now, just telling you. They're at random places. There is a side mission for you to unlock all of them. Okay, so you have to find all the lunar coins. So yeah. Let's go if you have done spending money.
Done.
Who the fuck cares about 100 gold, right? Let's go.
I saw the gate already.
Yeah, go to it.
Okay.
Easy. Oh, by the way, wait, let me show you something. Come over here.
Yes.
Oh, fuck, where did they move the box? Wait, let me go see if the box is on the top. So there is a box that has a timer on it. Have you come across it?
Like secret places.
Yeah. Okay, come over here. Fast. You have 40 seconds. We are late. No, we're late. It's okay. I'll just show it to you. Don't worry. Come easily. Don't worry.
I cannot go up, I think.
Wait, let me show you from which side you can come.
Yeah, I'm coming from the other side.
Yeah, that makes sense. So the idea is, you see this box.
Yeah.
So this has a timer on it. You have to reach it below 10 minutes, and then only you can unlock it. And this has an ultimate in it, the blaster, which destroys in AoE. So this is one of the better ultimates. Okay, let's go. Oh, look at this. You need 1093 gold for this. It's a gigantic drone.
Whoa.
I
What's
know.
that?
Just a gigantic drone. You can buy it. Like the tiny drones. Oh, this is... Be careful if you have not done this before. Have you done this?
No.
Okay.
New box to me. Like a teapot.
Yeah. You'll notice something super fun now.
Nice. Whoa. Fireball shooting at me.
Soon after that, he's gonna do something stupid. Now.
Alright. What a giant teapot. It's quite funny.
I have a lot of damage. I just killed him before that. So the thing is, he sucks people inside.
I see.
Okay, pick your ultimate. The item. It's there.
Yep.
So do you see everyone getting electrocuted and dying because of the thing that I got?
Oh.
So that is the red item. Like, it's stupid. Okay, so see, the same way that you changed your item tier list, right? Oh, you got an item also, which is cool. Oh, siphon health from nearby character. We can siphon health from each other. PogChamp. See, we are siphoning health from each other. So imagine if you want to grief someone, you can go near them when they are about to die, and you can siphon all their health from them. Oh, nice. Infusion is pretty awesome.
Oh, much money, but to look for boxes.
Unlock this one. This will give you a better item. Go there. So the big boxes will always drop green.
Oh. This is red.
Oh, awesome.
Aegis.
Aegis is like Aegis of Immortality. Read. You
Ah,
can hover over it by pressing tab and reading it. Healing past full grants you a temporary barrier. No, that is Dio's best friend. I fucked up. Dio's best friend is JoJo's reference, and Aegis is healing past full grants a temporary barrier. Okay, I go unlock the barrier, like the next portal, if you're done unlocking everything. So it does not revive you. Do you have more gold?
yes, 200.
Come over here. Unlock these two.
Sure.
So do you see with two people it allows you to do like faster, like pinpoint and shit.
Yeah. Or explore areas and on killing boss is more or less the same, right? Because the boss getting harder as well.
I'll take.
Oh, sorry.
No, that's okay. You can only take one ultimate. Don't worry. If you would have taken this, your other ultimate would have dropped. So no worries over there. So this is just I can summon drones. So it doesn't really matter. If you have more, you can buy this. If you don't have, let's go. GG.
Are there friendly fire?
No friendly fire. Dude, this game, if it has friendly fire, it'll be the most broken, stupid shit ever.
Yeah, there's so much AoE.
Okay, I'll show you cool stuff now. I wanted to show you this last time, but I was like, it'll be fun if I am playing with you. In this level, look for a nest which has eggs in it.
Eggs?
Yeah, eggs. Bird eggs.
Really?
Yeah, come over here.
Alright.
So do you see that? Shoot it. The eggs. Behind you.
Wait. This one? Yeah?
Yeah,
There are
shoot the eggs.
Shoot the eggs?
Nice.
And then?
Now look for more eggs. Let's go.
Well, there's oh.
Yeah.
Don't donate moon coin, right?
Yeah, for the lunar coins.
Or eggs. Super difficult to find, right?
Yeah.
Eggs.
Dude, I know this map by every nook and cranny. That's how much I've played this shit.
Yeah,
It's like I remember the tile
I
sets.
saw one.
Yeah, go destroy it. If you see them, destroy it. I am also looking, so we'll do it fast.
Pick one.
They added new music tracks. I'm so happy with that. Okay, found one more.
How many are there together?
I think 5 or 6 can be there. Oh, found one more.
I found one as well.
Yeah. Do you see? It says on the left hand side, you hear a distant whirring.
Yeah?
So yeah, you're
summoning a boss?
Yeah, we're summoning a fucking boss. Go to the middle of the map. Look, a whirring grows louder. Alloy worship unit.
Oh my god. What's that? I saw one.
It's okay. Boss is here. Go meet the boss and say hello to him.
Alright. Going. I'm standing on him. What the actual fuck?
I know. By the way, I'm standing on top of him and hitting him.
I was standing on him as well, but I cannot stay much longer.
Yeah, he keeps on rotating. Run away, he's gonna explode.
Oh!
Yep. If you notice, he increases his HP. So you have to kill it as fast as possible. Go, 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 go. Otherwise he's gonna regen.
Yeah, he's healing a lot.
Now his HP is gonna go back.
Yeah?
Yeah, because when
It's
he
a
does his
temporary
ultimate,
boost?
yeah, temporary boost
Yeah.
when he does that ultimate thingy.
Hey, achievement unlocked.
Yep. Congratulations, sir. And one of the things that I can say for this game is very proudly, I didn't see a single video about any
I
of the
got the
things.
lucky buff thing.
Nice, nice.
The 7.
Yeah, best item. Like super good. Can make or break the game for you. Yeah, risk of rain. You wanna see?
Here's one more red. Oh, there are 2 red items. We get one each.
Yeah, one each. Wait. Just a sec. Just a sec, protect me. Submitted. Ages.
Going to. What is your health? In red. Oops.
Yeah, I hid in the bottom. तेरे को एरो देखने का है क्या? एक नहीं मैं साइड में कोने में जाके छुप जाता हूँ. And we should call the boss right now.
Yeah.
I don't even know where the fuck is it. I hate this fucking item that it starts leeching it from your own people when you're near them. I fucking hate it. I downright dislike it.
Probably on the top of this map.
Mine stream has started. Try again, bro.
Found the portal, I think.
Yeah. Just started, dude. Just started.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Oh, the magma dragon. It's quite easy.
क्या 1080 नहीं कर सकते, उतना बूस्टेड नहीं है. 720p 60. Oh, you got the scanner or what?
Yeah, I got a scanner.
After that, replace it back, okay? Because the other one is better.
Alright.
Yeah, 38%. Okay. Biting embrace? What the fuck is biting embrace? Oh, nah. I'll use it for some time. I'll see. The item that you were talking, ultimate, right? I picked that up, one of them. Oh, infusions, nice. Oh, RNG, look at me. I have a Tesla coil attached to the back of my head, which keeps on killing people. Don't do anything. People will just keep on dying.
Yeah, just healing each other.
Yeah, it's so stupid, dude. But the downside is it slows the shit out of you, man. So in a boss, like later on, it will just fuck you up, man. Like it'll just fuck you up. Hey, got something. Oh, nice double jump. The fuck is this?
Completed, right?
Oh, scrap items. I don't want to scrap items. Now what does scrapper do? No, don't want to scrap anything. Cancel. I have not used scrapper.
I switch back my item for damage one.
Yep, yep. Garbage fucking turret. Don't want you. Thank you. So see, we just because we got that thing, look what did you get? What does the hammer do? It reduces the armor of enemies after repeatedly striking them. So for a person who's continuously shooting, that's fucking awesome, dude. Like it's just downright armor reduction.
But it's really slow now. Whoa! I got one more red item.
Which one? You got Justice Hammer again. Shattering Justice.
Yeah.
Nice, nice. Lucky run, lucky run. Oh, you got the fucking lucky charm, right? Fucking obviously it's gonna be lucky, dude. Do you see any people to kill nearby? I need some gold. Oh, fuck, I see. Okay, I have 530. Go towards the base, like towards the teleporter. If you need, there is one over here.
Okay.
Oh, you got bandolier. Pretty fucking okay. My favorite subtext is for the item when you get ukulele. That's my favorite flavor text. Ukulele's flavor text is...
chain lightning.
No, flavor text is then there was his music related something to that. It's a like pun, like that they're making a joke that it's a guitar, so your music is fucking awesome.
So we proceed?
Yeah, we proceed.
I still have 600, but I can't find any boxes in it.
I do not know that if there are any boxes. Wait, let me see.
Oh, let me go to the top and have a look. Yeah, there are boxes.
Unlock. Chrono ball. Yes.
2 questions. Just take it.
Let me know when you're done. I'll just unlock it.
I think I'm done.
Awesome.
Yeah, I'm done. I wish the boxes thing is more visible.
What is more visible?
Yeah, I wish they easily.
The teleporter.
No, the boxes, like the same stuff.
Like you want to defeat the bosses easily.
Oh.
Hey, Magma. What were you saying, RNG?
I wish the boxes are more visible to be seen.
But
Yeah,
bosses, like, yeah, it's certain bosses. Every boss has a different design, right? Like, the teapot is not visible.
Boxes, like loot boxes.
Oh, the boxes. No, but that is the core idea because they want it to be kind of hidden and memory based. Because the whole game design is a balance between them, if you realize. Balance between time and versus what you are doing. By the way, big dude over here. Big Lemurian. Okay, this dude is dead. Fuck off, dude. Yeah, destroyed everything here. Easy.
Oh, what an actual cinemas. Yeah, like the bomb thing.
Where the fuck is that dumbass teleporter? Found it.
Okay. Right. Going over.
When you reach over, you. Okay, wait, two big boxes. Let me open them.
Sure.
Daisies? Who the fuck wants daisies? Oh, don't have money. Need 375. Lord. The fuck game? $375? No, we don't have 375, right?
I have 800.
Nice. Okay, there is a box over here. Come open and then we go. Behind it, yeah, that one. When you're unlocking it, let me know.
Oh.
Yeah,
Infused
bucklet
damage
is
when
nice.
spring. Oh,
2 magma worms, by the way.
okay.
Yep, my damage is through the roof. Dead.
Okay.
1 chrono bubble each.
For spring.
तुझा आयचा मर साले.
One box is over here.
I'm just gonna chill and shit is gonna die anyways. I literally don't have to do anything.
Yeah.
Electrocute everyone to death. So see, like at this point of time, you can spot the boxes when you're doing the bosses by the red thing that it gets.
Yeah. I saw this one.
Yeah, so see, I can see till over there. There is a box over there, that far.
Oh.
So yeah, you go to the high place and then you can swap. Okay.
Oh. Fuck. Drop off.
Enemies with 4 or more debuffs are marked with death. Okay, that's pretty cool. I like that. Jaro's band is nice. Nice. This is Super Meat Boy type music. Fucking awesome. I'll trip my.
700 item I cannot unlock. Like a drone or something.
There is an item over here. There is an item over here. You'll just learn, dude. Like, as you play ahead, right? It's just a thing that you learn how to spot things from far off. Like,
Not yet.
yeah, I know. Both of us have the same amount of gold no matter what we do. Okay, because gold is shared. So it's just like you have to be fast to spot stuff and then reach to it. When you're done unlocking it, let me know the thing that I marked. It's on the other side of the map. What do you want to do?
For boss.
It's over there. Go fast, fast.
On the top?
Yep.
Wow.
So yeah, that's what I was saying. When the boss is happening, I'm not just killing enemies. I'm looking where the items are also.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah.
Done.
Um,
You got it. Awesome.
100 left and that's it.
By the way, my lunar coins are at 23 right now.
Oh, I have 13. I have. Oh, this is the final boss thing I played before. They're killing somebody and come back to here.
Okay, I want to see something. What is those fucking things?
I cannot go up.
Hey, look, there is something. What the fuck was that? Arrow, do you see that shit? That glow in the far away. The fuck?
I saw. Yeah, I saw the clothes here.
Yeah, it's a very. Oh, what?
That dropped.
What the actual mind fuck is that? That is so trippy, dude. Like, I think that is a puzzle. And that is how I unlocked everything. Like, going to every nook and cranny, falling off from the map and figuring out everything.
I see.
Does this do damage to me? Okay, this does not do damage to me. Okay. I think the glows are random or it has a logic. Oh, wait. The glow goes under that also, dude. What the fuck? There is a white glow, there is a blue glow. Okay, it follows in a pattern. Wait, when it's gonna come over here, right, I'm gonna jump. Oh, this music is fucking badass, dude. The last boss. Nothing. It's just a effect in the web. Okay, copy. Let's go.
All the items become cosmetics weird on
Yeah, I love that, dude. Like, imagine if Dota ever adds that, dude.
Are the stacked items all placed on the same place? Yeah,
No.
I saw.
So see, every item has a different spot.
Yeah. I saw there are multiple series.
Yeah,
on my pocket.
yeah.
श्रीकांत,
Hmm?
तेरा गेम का स्क्रीनशॉट मेरे को एक निकल के बाद में भेज देना तो ये जो गेम है ना मुझे देखना है कितना डिफरेंस आ रहा है कितना डिफरेंस।
क्या देखना है तेरे को? Hmm?
कॉर्ड पिक का स्ट्रीमिंग और तू जो खेल रहा है उसमें स्क्रीनशॉट निकाल के मेरे को डिस्कॉर्ड।
हम्म। क्वालिटी देखना है क्या? Do you see with ages your armor keeps on stacking up? It's broken, dude. Yeah, destroyed fire.
What's
The,
that?
there is an item which just kills people after a certain HP if you like have debuffs on them. So that's the idea.
So many crits.
Yeah.
Wow.
Are you critting or am I critting though?
तेरा वो
I don't
पैसिव
know.
वाला इलेक्ट्रिक बंद किया ना तूने?
Pardon?
क्रिटिकल वाला जो है पैसिव में जो लाइटनिंग मारता है।
Lightning automatically starts. You have no control over it, dude. That's the fun part
ओके।
about it. Shocks all nearby every 10 seconds. It just goes mad. Like it stops giving a fuck about anything.
अच्छा।
There is something on top, by the way.
Yeah.
It
बट इट स्लोज यू डाउन इट्स सेल्फ ना
no
मतलब तूने
no.
बोला।
The slowing down is the leech thing. That another item.
ओके।
See, is retard.
The red numbers are after like we reduce the armor from the enemy.
Pardon?
I saw the damage numbers. They're white ones
Yeah.
and they're red.
Yeah.
There's something like over here.
Okay. Okay. देख लिया तूने क्वालिटी?
हाँ देखा देखा।
Oops.
ओ जी जी वो स्लैश मारा तो और ऊपर।
हाँ हाँ वो मैं ब्रेक कर सकता हूँ. I have broken this game till no. Okay, Happy Mask is pretty cool. Reforge. Okay. I have to give green items for this, right? Reforge 5. Nah, I don't want to reforge. I think I'm pretty cool. I can destroy almost till level 15 or something. Till the time we don't get the purple fucking worm.
Oh,
Have you fought with the purple worm, RNG?
hmm?
The purple worm, electrocuting worm.
No.
Oh, that stuff is made of nightmares, sir. When I started playing the game, I died on that dude like some 10-15 times. It was so fucking hard for me to kill. I think we have to go there, I guess. Yeah, I have to go there.
Oh, I've clicked northbound and dropped symbol.
क्या कूद क्या रहा है भाई तू? Stupid fucking shit, bro. Over here. I guess this stage is like bane of existence for poor commando, right?
Yes.
Don't keep on doing that. Regen. Wait for some time and
Yeah,
let your
I'm
drone
trying.
heal you.
Yeah.
नीचे उड़ी मरा क्या वो?
No, like see the thing is if you drop down, right, what just happens is you come back up but you lose a certain portion of HP. That is how it works.
Okay.
Oh. Someone shot.
Okay, do one thing. Can you go here? Over here. RNG?
Yeah.
Can you go here?
Probably not. I have to drop once more to get to the top.
Yeah, try it.
Wow.
Nice. Stay there. Don't jump down by any. Okay, come here now. Yeah, need to go there. Yeah, use the sides. Don't be a smartass like me, cause you don't have maneuverability like I do. Cause I can do stupid shit and I can chart the most random places that are not. And the thing is, you would think that you're not supposed to do that. No, they intend to do that. They hide stuff like that. Okay, this is gonna be fun. So I'm gonna go here. Activate these fuckers. What the fuck is this? Oh, jump pads. They look cool.
Yeah.
I was ready to kill them all.
Yeah.
Fucking A. Come over here. Oh, that music, dude. Faceless Void, Arcana. Oh, I like this boss, dude. Oh.
I have to move away from that. Yeah. I saw this attack. Oh. You are. Oh. You're in danger.
Not really.
Just shooting apart. Oh, another storm.
Dead. Nice. Go. That stomp is so good, dude.
Yeah.
I love that stomp. Never go to the middle. If you want to go to the middle, use the dash. Needs to be off cooldown.
Oh. Yeah, going middle is crazy. Oh.
Can. Easy. Boss is easy, man. Cute boss. So what I have to do is when he comes in the middle, right? I just have to use my dash because my dash is invulnerable. So it's just time.
Yeah.
That's all. Oh.
And I think the storm only damage on the ground,
Yeah.
so I can dodge it by staying in mid-air, I think. Oh, where's he? Oh, yeah.
तू मर गया
हाँ मैं मर गया मैं उसके ऊपर वो करने गया था डैश करने वो मिड पे जंप किया तो मैं इसको देख रहा हूँ खेलते यूज योर ब्लेड आरएनजी
Yeah, yeah. Like this. Miss.
go to the side kill the side thing on the ground yeah kill those the tops will like you can focus on them as you're killing those use
Rest कर रहा है
use the Q on it as soon as it's off cooldown on these retards careful nice now kill the top ones now because you have attack speed inside the dome
Oh,
so it'll be much more easier right now
again?
yeah, there's no use to use this fucking thing on people in midair. It's practically useless against them.
Oh, one more here.
Easy, easy. Lunar, if there is a third like phase to it, it'll be fucking awesome. And I'll be sad I didn't get to fucking play it.
What's this?
It's
Oh,
there in the
one
air.
more.
Yeah. I think the commando needed a slider. Don't think the other one was cooler. Like it's nice and all, but slides adds a lot more maneuverability. Mithrix
yeah.
again, nice.
It's them.
Oh dude, the boss track is god tier, dude.
Wow.
Rage mode
Yeah.
Let's see.
Mid.
he'll come in chrono now
I'm dying.
Void Arcana, Void Arcana. Oh, Mithrix, return to dirt. Mithrix, bleed.
Oh.
Die, weakling, god tier. This boss is easy, man. Let's go kill him. Continue, continue.
Oh, yeah.
This boss is easy.
Yeah.
Wait, let me invite Helix if he wants to join. Invite to play. Cool, I'm down. Let me know. But so, dude, I love Risk of Rain. Risk of Rain is so much fucking fun, man.